Hey guys, this is Biohazard from Miscellaneous Gaming, and today you're not gonna believe what I'm gonna teach you how to do. I'm gonna teach you how to build Naruto Uzumaki in Minecraft. Yes, you heard me right. And here are all the resources you're gonna need if you're building this in survival. So first you're going to want to build two 2x2 black squares 4 blocks apart, just like this. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to take some orange concrete and build it up 5 blocks high on every single part of the black concrete. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna build all along from the legs to make the waist 2 blocks high, just like so. And then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna take out your blue concrete and you're gonna put another layer of waist along him, just like so. Then, along every single part of the blue concrete, you're gonna build up with your orange concrete 10 blocks, just like so. And once you're done with that, you're gonna put another layer of blue concrete all along him, just like so. And then you're gonna put bone blocks for the collar all along him, just like so. Then what you're gonna want to do for the arms is you're gonna place 4 blue concrete, and then you're going to place 4 columns of 4 orange concrete, and then you're going to make a 4x4 cube of white concrete to finish it off. Now we're on to the head. You're going to want to place the white concrete 2 blocks out from the collar, and then 1 block out from the side of the collar. And then just repeat just like I'm doing. Then you're going to repeat that twice, just like I'm doing right here. You're going to place 2 red concrete for the mouth, and then 1 black concrete and 1 gray concrete powder, and then you're going to repeat that on the other side for his eyes. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put 2 lines of blue concrete along his head, just like this. This is gonna be his headband. And then you're gonna place your 8 blocks of iron, just like so, to make his little leaf village symbol. Now we're going to make the tie for the headband, just like so. Put 2 blocks, and then 1 to the side, and then 1 down. Now we're on to the hair. You're going to put 3 up, then 2 again, and then you're going to do 3 again. All right, and then you're going to do up 3, then up 3 again. Whoops, little mistake there. And then you're gonna do 4, and then 2. All right, and then you're gonna go up 2, and then 3 again, then 2. And then finally, you're gonna go up 2 again, and then 2, and then finish it off with 3. All right, now you're gonna place 1 block here, and then another block coming out of his hair there, and then another one right here. All right, and then you're gonna place 1 piece of hair right here, and then another one just like so. We're almost done. Just place 1 here, and then another one right here, And then one more right here and you're done with the hair. Right here we're going to be making the Uzumaki symbol. So you're just going to make a simple circle, just like so, of black concrete. And then you're going to fill out the outer layers with red concrete, just like so. And then you're finally going to fill it in with black concrete. And there you have it. Your Naruto Uzumaki should look just like this. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.